Namaste everyone, welcome to UDAYA'S classroom, vlog number 6. Today we are going to look at the functions of management. As I have mentioned in the vlog number 1, functions of management has got intense process. The functions of management also called as primary functions. It's all process of management. Now let us discuss the functions of management one by one. The first function of management is planning. And also I have mentioned the pictorial representation of the managerial functions here. What I mean by planning? Planning means nothing but it refers to deciding in advance what to do, how to do, and developing a way of achieving goal effectively and efficiently. So first of all, people have to think what they are going to do and how they are going to do. And the next thing is planning cannot prevent problems, but it can predict them and prepare contingency plans to deal with them if and when they occur. Contingency means nothing but possibilities. So we cannot say I have planned everything. So the things can be implemented as it is, like how I have planned. It's not like that. Maximum level we can predict. Possibilities can be planned and based on the problems which is going to happen in the future, we can have alternative plans. So how can we do plannings? Under three ways planning can be done. Number one, short-term plan. Number two, medium-term plan. Number three, long-term plans. So under the short-term plans, what all the plannings are coming? Weekly plans, monthly plans, quarterly plans. All these plans are coming under short-term plans. Under medium-term plan, annual plan. If we plan something for 1 year, that is coming under medium-term plan. Under the long-term plan, more than 3 years if we plan something, that is coming under long-term plan. Let us move on to the next function, that is organizing. Organizing refers to assigning the duties and responsibilities. Organizing refers to assigning the duties and responsibilities to the group of people, those who are going to perform the task. Number one, assigning the duties and responsibilities, grouping tasks, establishing authority, and the next is allocating of resources required to carry out a specific plan. In short, I can tell you, put staff in position. Example, if you take large scale organization, they will have different departments. For each and every department will have division. HR department, production department, sales department, finance department, marketing department, etc. Why these departments to be categorized and put into work? In order to organize the functions of the management. And the next function is staffing. Staffing means nothing but right people for the right job, which means recruiting people for an organization is an important task. The people should be recruited with proper qualification and experience. That is very mandatory for all the organization. That is the reason why I have mentioned here, right people for the right job. The next function of the management is directing. In order to perform this directing function, a manager should have a very good interpersonal skill, because through his interpersonal skill only he can direct the people towards the organizational goal. Directing involves leading, influencing, motivating employees to perform the task assigned to them. Here, if you take motivation, motivation could be done in two ways. Either it could be a positive motivation or negative motivation. So somehow other way, a manager should make the people to attain the organizational goal. Coming to the next function of the management, controlling. It refers to the performance measurement and follow-up actions that keep the actual performance on the path of plan. So after performing all the functions of management, if the manager did not have control over the activities, whole function of management will get collapsed. That is the reason why all these functions are continuous process. It will be continuing. If any one of the link has got cut, the organization cannot attain its organizational goal. It should continue properly. With this, I'll end up the session today. I'll meet you in the next class. Till then, it's bye from Udaya.